Farberware Professional FMO22ABTBKA 2.2 Fort 1200-watt microwave oven with smart sensor cooking, eco mode and blue LED lighting, stainless steel. With 2.2 cubic feet of cooking capacity and 1200 watts of output power, this family-sized microwave delivers power, style, and convenience with a sleek stainless steel design to complement your kitchen. Featuring a push-button door release, blue LED display and interior LED lighting. 7 one-touch cooking programs, sensor reheat, frozen pizza, frozen entree, potato, rice, vegetable, and popcorn. 5 auto-cook pre-programmed settings, bacon, frozen bread reheat, beverage, chicken, and oatmeal. 3 auto-defrost pre-programmed settings, meat, poultry, and fish. 1 to 6 minute express cooking function, plus 30 seconds control button, memory function for customized settings, and a child safety lock function. 7 unique pre-programmed cooking options for melting and softening. Melt, butter, margarine, chocolate, cheese, and marshmallows. Soften, butter, ice cream, frozen juice, and cream cheese. Smart sensor technology uses temperature and humidity sensors inside the microwave to determine when the food is ready to avoid overcooking. Exterior product dimensions 24.4 x 19.6 x 13.6 inches, length x depth x height. Interior cavity dimensions 17.8 x 19.1 x 11.2, length x depth x height. Turntable diameter 16.5 inches. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.